Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. If I sound different, stuffed up, nasally, congested, all of those things, it's because allergies have taken control of my body, so I do apologize. I'm trying my best. So today we are going to unbox and take a look at the Fool's Item Oracle by 78 Tarot. Thank you so much to 78 Tarot for sending this our way. I am so excited. This is the companion Oracle deck to their 78 Tarot Magical deck. So whilst that Magical deck was a tarot version, this is just an Oracle. It has 55 cards, and you can use it by itself or alongside any other deck. It has its own structure. So I'm really excited. It goes along with a theme of like fantasy, magical, role-playing games, that sort of a thing. I'm so very excited. So the guidebook is written by Trish Sullivan, and there's different artists for each card. Now, this retails for $70 with the printed out guidebook. It retails for $50 with the PDF guidebook. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. So look at how thick this guidebook is. Oh my gosh. So I'm excited. All color printed. And I do want to show you, there are no suits within our Fool's Item Oracle deck. No card considered higher or lower in importance than the rest. We have chosen a selection of items that an adventurer, such as our Fool, in the 78 Tarot Magical deck may need on their quest through an epic life. We have kept these items within the magical realm, so you may see items that you would expect to find in an RPG or role-playing game, on a console, or in a tabletop game. Each item card has a specific meaning all their own, drawing on traditional symbolism with a 78 Tarot twist. There are cards that are obviously elemental in nature or familiars, which kind of form an animal group, but none of these belong to a specific chapter or suit. If you choose to use these in that way, you absolutely can, however. If you are a tarot reader or collector unfamiliar with oracle decks, imagine a deck of cards loosely based on the archetypes and symbols of tarot, but with a less structure and more flow. It's one way to think of them the way I learned. This means that oracle cards can be more fluid, which may take a little getting used to. All right, so then we have more information on how to kind of use and cleanse your deck. Then we have some spreads here. We have the single card, the 3 card, and then we have a potions spread. Love that. And then it goes into the card meanings and descriptions, which we will get into after the flip through. So let's get into it. I'm so excited. It has a little cover. Oh, it is a magnetic closure box. Oh, with the foil. Oh, this is fun. The universe is full of magical things patiently waiting for our wits to grow sharper. Eden Philpotts. All right. Oh, cute. And we do have a ribbon. Oh, so same back as the Magical Tarot. Love that. And we still have the gilded edges. These look like it's like a copper. Yeah. All right. Limited edition. Nice. All right. So there's the back again with the foil. Oh, that's so pretty. It is a gloss. Love those edges. Oh, this is going to be fun to shuffle too. It is a long type size here, longer than it is wider. Let's talk about card stock. Love this. Yeah, it snaps back just great. It's flexible enough to shuffle. It's a little bit thinner than I would say like a US Game Systems cardstock, but it's nice. I don't think we'll have an issue shuffling at all. All right, Akashic Records. It might be too hard to read the bottom titles, so I'll just say it out loud so that we're not squinting or trying to fight with the camera. But oh, that's so pretty. And it does have the artist's name underneath the title. Ooh. Oh, this is so pretty. So this is Altar. Love that. Amulet. You know, each 78 tarot deck that I have seen so far has blown me away. I am just so impressed with the artwork and the amount of time and effort that goes into each of these cards. It's amazing. So this is armor. I could totally see a fantasy, I'm going to call him nerd because that's what I am, enjoying the heck out of this oracle. This would make a fantastic gift for someone who's trying to dip their toes into oracle decks that have no idea what they are. This is Athame. If they are, you know, a fantasy book nerd or a role-playing game, or even what is the one where they do live action role play, LARPers, I could totally see you gifting this to them. This is Belle. I love that so much. Oh my gosh. And, you know, this might be great to incorporate into your LARPing or your role-playing games. This might be something that inspires a new quest, or, you know, however you call them. I'm not familiar with all of it, but this is fantastic. So bones, look at the little mushroom. Oh my God. Just beautiful. Broomstick. Ah. Candles. Ooh, missed one. Cauldron. Yay. And now we have the chalice. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh. No borders, so full of just the art prints. Cloak. This reminds me of Doctor Strange, which is not a bad thing. Coin. Compass. Constellation. Crystal ball. Ooh, that's so pretty. Crystals. Element air. Element earth. Oh, I love, love, love the mushrooms. Element fire. Fun. And element water. Oh, the mermaid on the bowl. Fun. Ooh, an element spirit. Oh, that's a cool little addition. Essential oils. Familiar bunny. Oh my goodness. That face. Familiar cat. Oh, this just has my whole heart right now. Familiar frog. Oh my goodness. Familiar mouse. Oh, that is all the cottagecore vibes right there. I love it. Familiar owl. Then we have herbs. Hourglass. House. Incense. Oh, that's pretty. Lantern. Map. Ooh, mirror. That is one I want. Moon. Oh, the mushrooms. Oh my gosh. Love. Plants. Oh, how fun. I'm sorry. I like everything about this deck I'm here for. Absolutely love it. Pop it. Portal. Potion. Quill. Oh, that's pretty. Look at the feather. Ritual. Robe. Runes. Oh, on what looks like labradorite. One of my favorite stone / crystals ever. Sage. Salt. Scroll. Sigils. Spell jar. Love the little skull in there. Staff. Telescope. Tome. Oh, I could spend hours there. Vials. The spider web. Oh my gosh. And wand. This is giving me Sailor Moon vibes. All right, let's see how it shuffles. So they are long, but I can fit my hands around them and I can shuffle them this way. But what I typically do with longer and bigger decks is shuffle them side to side because I feel like I have a little bit more control. So either way of shuffling works just well with these. And then let's see this way. Yeah. Oh, they slip really nice. This one wants to come out. Oop. We're going to read for the runes. So here's a little refresher. This art is just gorgeous. Okay, so we have the full print out of the card's art on the side there. And then it says, oh, this is by Jennifer Cooper Steedley. Upon an old tree stump, a seer lays out several essential items for scrying. Methodically, purposely placing a feather to call upon the strength of Odin's ravens, and adding a sprig of ash to represent and pay homage to the world tree, Yggdrasil. I apologize if I'm mispronouncing it. I can never say that name correctly. Bridging the human world with the divine. Calling upon the power of both worlds, the mage prepares a workspace and lays down a pouch of labradorite runes renowned for enhancing mental acuity. As the stones spill onto the counter, their energy awakens the magic within, calling forth ancient wisdom as runic symbols spark upon the tree's surface. Within Norse myth, legend tells Odin sought wisdom by hanging himself from Yggdrasil for 9 days and 9 nights. As he, on the verge of death, Odin received knowledge of runes and their magic, saving himself. Runes are therefore associated with wisdom and magic, the word literally meaning letter, secret, mystery in many Germanic languages. Runic symbols are often carved onto shields and talismans for protection or luck, or used on smaller rune stones as a form of divination. Drawing runes, you are asked to consider the satisfaction gained exercising and challenging your brain. Your journey through life is one of exploration, your mind a miraculous device, learning something new every day, the world offering a wealth of information to seize. Try diving into a new skill you've always wanted to study and enjoy the new path it takes you on. So we have keywords down here, which means seeking wisdom, knowledge, and exploration. I love this so much. This is so fun. I love that there's a story behind the picture and the artwork. I love that it dives deeper into the meaning. I love that this is just so full of magic and fun, and it gives you the artist bibliography in the back here. This is just, I'm just so impressed. Every single deck, like I said before, I'm just so impressed. I do want to show you the little pocket version. I do believe that you can get this separately. I'm not positive with how much this was, but I do know that the pocket size version of the tarot is $35. So again, double check the website down below if you are wanting to check out the pocket size version for yourself. If you like the smaller size, I will say that these are great for travel. They're great for smaller hands. Oh my gosh, look at all of that. And yeah, the art shows up just as beautifully. And I'll show you how it shuffles because it's like a nice size. It's not a terrible size to shuffle. It's not like a mini deck. It's a nice pocket size like that. Oh, I love it. This is great to throw in your bag. This is great if you are traveling or if you do go to festivals and LARP and all that stuff. This is great to throw in a pouch and just be on your way. So now I would love to know your thoughts and opinions on this. Is this something that you are interested in? Is this something that you're excited about? Is this something that you think a lot of people outside of the Oracle and tarot community would like to get their hands on? Because I do think there's value in that. I think people not really knowing where to start, this could be a good deck to start with, especially if they're already involved with RPG and LARPing and that sort of things. So if you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much. If you're going to comment, let me know of all your thoughts down below, as well as a crystal ball emoji to let me know that you made it. Thank you so much to 78 Tarot for sending this deck my way. I love it so much. I'm going to enjoy playing around with it. So if you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you again. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.